Who am I? Am I just this body? I. Perhaps no word has been spoken more often in our lives than this one. I. From the moment we wake up until we fall asleep, we say it again and again. I think, I decided, I love, I'm happy, I'm sad. But have you ever stopped and asked yourself, who is this I that I keep talking about? At first, the question seems almost too simple, but the more we think about it, the more mysterious it becomes. Every day we say things like, my hand, my eyes, my heart, my mind, my body. We never say, I am my hand, or I am my eyes. Instead, we naturally say, my hand, my body. Think about that for a moment. When you say, my body, you are saying that your body belongs to you. If your body belongs to you, then who is this you that owns the body? Let's try something. Nothing complicated, just for a few seconds. If you like, close your eyes. Don't do anything. Simply be aware of yourself. Without looking at your hands, without seeing your face, without moving at all, are you still aware that you exist? Don't you still know, with complete certainty, I am? Where does that certainty come from? From the day we were born, our bodies have never stopped changing. Once, we were infants, then children, then teenagers. And now, our bodies are different again. Our faces have changed. Our height has changed. Our weight has changed. Even the cells of our bodies have been replaced countless times. Yet, through all those changes, one thing has remained exactly the same: the quiet awareness of being I. The same I you experienced as a child is the same I that is listening right now. So let us ask the question again. If I am nothing more than this body, why does this sense of I remain while the body is constantly changing? Every day, our eyes receive images, our ears receive sounds, our hands touch the world around us. But who is actually seeing? Who is hearing? Who is thinking? Who is making decisions? Who experiences love? Who feels grief? Do the eyes truly see? Or are they simply instruments through which someone else sees? Is the brain the one who says I? Or is the brain also an instrument used by the one who says I? Today, we didn't try to prove anything. We didn't ask you to simply accept our words. We only invited you to spend a few moments looking inward, towards something that has always been with you, yet perhaps has never truly been known. The reality you refer to every single day with one simple word: I. If this I is nothing more than the body, then why does it remain the same while the body is constantly changing? And if this I is something more, then what is it? Perhaps this is the most important question any human being can ever ask. And perhaps the answer to this one question has the power to change the way we understand ourselves, the meaning of life, and even our relationship with God. Perhaps this is the beginning of our journey. In the next episode, we'll continue that journey together and ask one simple question: if I am not merely this body, then who am I?